With all the rain they've had in the area over the last couple of weeks, they've had to open the spillways on several of the dams in the area. Martin Dam being one, and this is the Thurlow Dam at Tallassee, Alabama. Today is March the 28th, 2023, and I thought I would do a little documentary on the two dams with the spillways open. And there you see it. This is the last dam in a chain of 4 on the Tallassee River hydroelectric dams. There you see the railroad bridge across it in the bottom. I don't believe it's active any longer. That's Highway 14 bridge that runs between Tallassee and East Tallassee. That's the old cotton mill there that burned in, I don't know, probably about 10 years ago, and it's under demolition now. I really don't know what they're going to do with that piece of property there. We're going to swing around and have a view of Tallassee. And of course this is looking north up the Tallassee River up towards the Yates Dam. And that is East Tallassee, with the ruins of the old cotton mill there in the foreground. That's quite a lot of water over the dam. A great view. There you have it, the Thurlow Dam at Tallassee, Alabama. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.